I took some items. I was with another person, but I guess
You were part of
yeah,
the plan to take some items and try to remove them from the store without paying for them?
correct,
All right, the store was open to the public at the time?
correct.
You didn't have anybody's permission to take that property, did you?
No,
And the property that you took was offered for sale by TJ Maxx?
correct.
And are we doing this on, was the amount that you took from the store, the total amount, was that in excess of $200?
Or, sorry about that. Just put it back. That's okay. Unbutton it. Yeah. Sorry about that. Sorry, Judge, I'm trying to.
Yeah, I can tell you're not accustomed to wearing a tie either. So.
No, well, I actually don't even like ties or
Yeah,
ties.
no, I got you.
But I've been trying that. Is it, can you see it? It's
just to the side.
You don't mind? No, sir.
You want to straighten his tie too?
No,
No, that's okay.
I just want to be presentable.
I appreciate the effort.
All right. Torshell Fuster, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Cross. Mr. Cross, please state your name for the record.
Carlton Dion Cross.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge. I did speak to the prosecutor on this case. Sounds like a global is in the works here that might involve sobriety court. If we could have an adjournment for 3 or 4 weeks, we can see what we stand.
It's my first date, March 4th. I'll adjourn the matter March 4th, 2026, 9 a.m. And you're looking to get it into a sobriety court.
That is the global offer.
Okay. All right. And we'll continue. Thank you, sir.
Have a good day.
We'll be in touch.
Courthouse case, People versus Comaria Davis.
Morning, Your Honor. Raymond Cook. People.
What is that? Torshell Fuster, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Ms. Davis, who is approaching the podium. Please state your name when you get to the podium.
Right up here.
Thank you, Judge. I have to my client, and I have read the notes in the file. It looks like we are requesting a brief adjournment. There are some videos in this file that Ms. Davis wants to watch before she determines how she wants to proceed, and we'll be watching those this morning after court.
February 18, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah.
People.
Court calls the case, People versus Rick Artuso.
Morning, Your Honor. Raymond Cook with People.
What do you mean he's not here?
Before we dive in, just a quick note. This commentary is created for educational purposes, designed to help those who may be confused or curious about courtroom processes. If you don't find it helpful, feel free to skip ahead. But for those who want a deeper understanding, stay tuned, because this courtroom session gets intense fast. What you're about to see isn't one dramatic case. It's a rapid-fire look into real people facing real consequences. Retail theft, missed court dates, bench warrants, plea deals, and judges making split-second decisions that can change lives. Some defendants are prepared, others clearly aren't. And as this unfolds, pay attention to how the court treats honesty, responsibility, and accountability, because those themes will come back again and again.
Mr. Artuso here? Him or counsel. And you haven't heard from Mr. Burgess? Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear, bond $5,000. Give a 10% privilege on that. That warrant will issue immediately. Court calls case of People versus Ricky Burdett.
Morning, Your Honor. Raymond Cook with People.
You do not have consequences.
Where's his attorney? Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Your
What's your
Honor.
name?
Ricky Burdett.
Do you know where your attorney is?
I do not. We'd agreed to meet at this time. I do not know where my attorney is. So I'm speaking for myself, I guess.
Well, no, you're not, because they filed a substitution of attorney, which I signed off on, saying that they were going to represent you. So you're going to be represented by counsel Do you have a phone number for him at all, sir?
I do, it's,
All right.
I may have it here. My phone is in my vehicle.
Oh, okay, I got you. So, we're gonna give a call to his office, find out where he is. So you can have a seat. I'll pass the matter. Okay? I'll call it up in my next block.
Do you mean wait on him to come?
Yes.
What if he does not show like today?
Pardon?
What if he does not show today? Like for hours, you know?
I don't know. I mean,
It was agreed. That was his,
okay.
that's his
Sir,
responsibility
what
to
do you
come.
want me,
I showed
what
up.
do you want me to do? I can't.
I want you
He
to
has
let me
filed-
speak for myself then.
He has filed an appearance on your behalf. He is supposed to be here. Have a seat. We will contact him to find out why he's not here. Thank you.
You have the,
Thank you.
This moment may seem routine, but it's actually a critical legal crossroads. When the defense mentions a global resolution and sobriety court, they're signaling an attempt to redirect punishment toward rehabilitation rather than straight penalties. Sobriety court isn't automatic, it's selective, structured, and demanding. Miss one requirement, and the consequences can be worse than traditional sentencing. So here's the real question. Should courts focus more on treatment than punishment when addiction is involved? Or does accountability come first, no matter the circumstances? Drop your thoughts below. This debate is bigger than just one defendant.
No. The other lucky person is recall the case, People versus Tatiana Tether. Is she here?
Good morning, again, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
Carolyn Foster Tucker on behalf of Tatiana Tether.
Your name?
Tatiana Tether.
Okay. I had faith that you'd show up.
Yeah.
You're no, go bring the baby with you. For goodness sakes. Of course gonna cry. When Alan leaves me, I cry.
Sorry about that.
See? Why are you shaking your head?
Because he's just giving me a rough day today, so, yeah.
That sweet little child.
Yes.
I know it's not your fault. All right. I have before me a plea form. She's going to plead to the charge of retail fraud, second degree. Correct?
Correct.
There is also a sentence recommendation or a sentence agreement of the prosecutor's deferred.
That's correct, Your Honor.
That is correct.
All right. Just, what is she?
I'm sorry.
Take a deep breath. The baby's doing nothing.
Yeah, he's just heavy.
He's just heavy?
Yeah, he's heavy.
Okay. She can sit down if she wants.
No, it's okay. He's gonna cry. It's okay. Thank you, though. No, it's okay.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm
Then
positive.
quit complaining.
Okay.
No, I'm kidding. Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes.
You solemnly swear to affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes,
State your name, please.
Tatiana Tether.
Ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you're going to be pleading guilty to the charge of retail fraud, second degree.
Yes,
That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration, a $2,000 fine plus court costs. Fine could be increased to 3 times the value of the property taken. If that's greater than $2,000, that would become the maximum fine. You understand that?
yes,
All right. Still wish to plead guilty?
yes.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes,
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
yes.
Any question regarding any of those rights?
No,
Please look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
okay.
You understand that?
Yes,
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No,
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
no,
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
no.
You're doing this voluntarily?
Yes.
Of your own free will?
Yes,
And because you believe that you are indeed guilty of this offense?
yes.
June 11, 2025, at the location of 31458 Carpenter Road in Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan. What'd you do at TJ Maxx that makes you think that you're guilty?
I took some items. Just speak for me, right? Okay, I took some items. I was with another person, but I guess
You were part of
yeah,
the plan to take some items and try to remove them from the store without paying for them?
correct,
All right, the store was open to the public at the time?
correct.
You didn't have anybody's permission to take that property, did you?
No,
And the property that you took was offered for sale by TJ Maxx?
correct.
And are we doing this on the price?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was the amount that you took from the store, the total amount, was that in excess of $200?
Yeah,
Your Honor, if I can voir dire here.
Go ahead.
You and your friend both took some items, correct?
yeah,
And the amount that
came together. Yeah,
total between the two of you was over 200, right?
correct.
All right. Ma'am, I have to advise you that if I accept your plea, if it be between the time of the plea and the time of sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined under the Michigan court rules, that the court would no longer be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation, you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea. You understand that?
Yes, I
Is
do.
counsel aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
None from the people.
No, Your Honor.
Have I complied with the court rule?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to this charge. Defendant is referred to probation for pre-sentence investigation and report. Sentencing in this matter will be March 11th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond with its conditions will continue. Ma'am, on your way out on the left-hand side, you and the baby need to stop by probation to make an appointment.
Okay, thank you.
All right?
Yeah, thank you very much.
Be nice to that little, how old?
He's one.
He's one.
better be nice to me.
He's just one.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank
Not
you, Your
that
Honor.
heavy. Bye. No, that's for, we'll call, you're gonna try to call on that one. All right. I'm all set then, that block.
That's 9 a.m., yes.
And then we'll start the next block. Are you gonna be ready, Feaster?
I think so, Judge.
All right. Stand in recess.
All rise.
She's young, she looks nervous, and today she's standing in court for stealing from a store. The item? Worth $200. Police reports say it was a deliberate theft, not a mistake. The question is, why risk everything for something so small? Was it desperation, bad judgment, or a choice she thought no one would notice? As the court listens, one thing becomes clear. This case is about more than just money.
On her successor to have a plea form, those charges, counts 1 and 3 would be dismissed. Guilty of 2 counts. Defendant is agreeing to pay restitution offenses. That's counts 4 and 5.
Yes, Your
Upon
Honor.
her successor to that charge, those charges, counts
Raise your right
1
hand.
and 3 would
solemnly
be
swear to affirm the
dismissed.
testimony you're about to give.
Defendant is agreeing to pay restitution.
Elizabeth Raggett?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it
Your
is this
Honor.
court's understanding that you are going to plead guilty to 2 charges
Right hand.
of failure to
You
report
solemnly
an
swear to affirm the
accident.
testimony you're about to give.
Those are misdemeanors punishable by up to 90 days in jail and a $100
Elizabeth
fine plus
Raggett?
court costs. You understand that?
I do.
Ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you are going to plead guilty to 2 charges of failure to the charge of failure to report an accident. Those are misdemeanors punishable by up to 90 days in jail. To that same charge as contained in count 5. How do you understand that?
I do.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial. So, wish to plead guilty?
Yes, sir.
You signed an advisory rights form, is that correct? Is contained in any questions regarding those rights? To that same charge. Please look at paragraph 5 on that form. You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand by signed an advisory rights form, is that as well as all the rights on that. Any questions? You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of rights? Please look at paragraph. Are you on probation or parole? Form,
I am
you'll
on
see a
probation.
copy. Were you on probation at the time of this trial? You understand by pleading guilty. Has anybody promised you anything? Rights on that form.
Yes, sir.
Other than what's giving up your right to appeal of what you to plead.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Are you on probation? Has anybody threatened you
I am
or
on
forced?
probation. No, sir.
Were you on probation? You're doing this voluntarily?
No, I am.
Has anybody promised you anything? And because you, other than what's been said, guilty of these offenses?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Has anybody threatened you or forced you?
No, sir.
You're doing this voluntarily?
I am.
of your
On
own
the
free
date
will.
of
And because
March
you
27th, 2025,
guilty of these offenses, 25 at the location of Carpenter Road near Center Valley Drive in Pittsfield
On the
Township,
date
Washington County, State of
of
Michigan.
March
Were you
27th, 2000.
operating a motor vehicle?
was, sir.
25 at the location of Carpenter Road near Center Valley Drive. And in operating that motor vehicle, were you involved in an accident?
Yes,
Were
sir.
you operating a motor vehicle?
I was, sir.
Were there two accidents?
There's multiple, yes, sir.
All right. And in operating that
You
motor
knew that you were
vehicle,
involved in an
were you
accident?
involved in an
Involving-
accident? One involving a Subaru and one involving an F-150? Were there two
I saw the first one and the airbags deployed. No, they'll make it the second, but I did. No,
You
there
knew
were
that you were involved in an accident?
did.
Knowing that you were involved,
but you
involving
knew
a
that you-
I
Subaru
did.
and one involving had struck another vehicle.
I did, sir. I did. I
All right.
saw the first one
And
and the
in
airbags
doing
deployed.
that,
No, they'll
did
make it the
you
second, but I did.
report that
No, there were
accident to the
multiple.
nearest and most convenient
Knowing that
police
you were
station?
involved, but you knew that
I
Did
did.
you
Yes.
stop at that location and provide
sir.
information?
I did not, sir.
And
do either
in
one of
doing
No,
that,
sir.
did you report that accident to the
Ma'am, if I
nearest and
accept your
most convenient police
I did
station?
not, sir.
Would you have
Did
to
you
advise you to
stop
stop
at that location
and
and
provide
provide information?
information?
I did not, sir.
You didn't do either one of those. Misconduct is defined under Michigan court rules. That
Ma'am, if I
you would
accept
not
your
be entitled to
plea,
withdraw your plea and the court would not be
have to
bound by
advise
any
you to
sentence
commit
recommendation or
misconduct
by the time I accept
I
your
understand.
plea and the time of sentencing.
Counsel, are you
That
aware of any other
misconduct
promises,
is
threats,
defined
or
under
other
Michigan court
inducements
rules that have led
you would not be
to
entitled
this
to
withdraw your plea and the court would
No, Your
not be
Honor.
bound by any sentence recommendation or evaluation?
I
And
understand.
have I complied with court rules?
Counsel, are you aware of any
Yes, Your
other
Honor.
Promises, threats, or other
Court will accept the
inducements
defendant's
that
pleas
have
of
led
guilty
to
to
this
counts
4 and 5,
No, Your Honor.
counts 1, 2, and 3. And have I complied with court? Yes, 1, 2, and 3 are dismissed. Court will accept the defendant's pleas of guilty. Defendant is referred 4 and 5 to probation. 1, 2, and 3 for a pre-sentence investigation and report and determination of restitution. Sentencing in this matter will be defendant is March 11th, 2002 probation, 9 a.m. for a pre-sentence investigation and report and determination of restitution.
Yeah, I'm going.
Sentencing in this matter will
People
be
versus Kimberly Douglas.
March 11th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond will be.
Ron Green on behalf of Mr. Douglas.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm going.
Court calls the cases of People versus Kimberly Douglas.
Your agreement to cook for the people. Ron Green on behalf of Mr. Douglas.
Your name, ma'am?
Kimberly Sue Douglas.
Thank you. I have before me 2 plea forms indicating that the defendant is going to plead guilty to 2 charges, 1 in each file. Your name, ma'am? Of retail fraud in the 3rd degree. Thank you. In the case ending in 109 form 5, indicating that the defendant is going to plead guilty to 2 charges, 1 in each file, and in the other matter, 3rd degree. There is no case ending in 109 5. Those are added count to restitution to count 1 in each case would be dismissed. And in the other matter,
Yes, Your Honor.
there is no other submit, but
Raise your
she's,
right hand.
those are added
Solemnly swear to
count
affirm the
twos
testimony
that she's
you're about to give
pleading
will be
to
the truth,
count
the
1
whole
in
truth,
each
and nothing
case
but the
would
truth,
be
so help you God.
dismissed.
I swear to God.
State your name, please.
Kimberly
Your
Sue
Honor.
Douglas.
May I have, ma'am, it is this court's
Raise your-
understanding, you're gonna
raise
plead
your right
2
hand.
counts of retail fraud.
Solemnly swear to
In the
affirm the
3rd
testimony you're about to
degree.
give will be the truth, the whole truth, and
Yes.
nothing but the truth. so
Okay,
help you
those
God.
are misdemeanors,
I swear
punishable by
to
up to 93
State your name,
days in jail,
Kimberly Sue
$500
Douglas.
fine plus court Ma'am, it is this court's understanding, in each case could be increased of retail fraud, property taken in that's greater than $500, that would become the
Yes.
maximum fine. Those are misdemeanors,
Yes.
punishable by up to 93 days. And understanding that, ma'am, do you still wish to plead guilty? The
Yes.
fine in each case could
To
be
the charge
increased
of
to
retail
property
fraud,
taken
3rd
if that's
degree,
greater
as
than
contained
$500,
in the
that would
case
become the
1,
maximum fine.
2,
You understand that?
Yes.
-1095. And understanding that, ma'am, do you still wish to
Guilty.
plead guilty?
Yes.
To that same charge as contained in the other case ending in 1776, have you 1, 2, 3 dash
Guilty.
1095. Now you understand that by pleading guilty, you will not have a trial of any kind.
Correct.
to that same charge. You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct? 1776. Any question regarding any of those rights?
No.
Please look at paragraph 5 on that. Pleading guilty, you will not have to trial part of a trial. You understand that by pleading, you signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
It's hard for
Any question regarding any of those rights?
No.
But please look at paragraph 5 on that form. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading.
Paragraph 5 is right. It's hard for her to see on the podium.
Yeah, I got that. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights of that form.
Yes.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of
Paragraph
rights.
5 is right.
You're giving up your right to appeal of rights. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights of that form.
Yes.
Does anybody promise you anything other than what's stated here today to get you to plea? You're giving up your right to appeal of rights.
No. Yes.
You're doing this voluntarily
Yes. No.
of your own free will.
Yeah.
Does anybody promise you believe that you are indeed guilty here today to get you to plea? Beginning in the case ending in 1095. You're doing this voluntarily
Yes.
of your own free will
Yes.
because you believe that you are indeed guilty? On the date
in the
case
ending
May
in
30th, 2023, at the location of 3090 Carpenter Road, Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, what did you do at the CVS? On the date of
I had
May
some
30th,
Budweiser and some
2023, at the location.
I'm sorry?
Some Budweisers and some soup.
Pittsfield
All
Township,
right, so you got
Washtenaw County,
Budweisers
State of
and soup,
Michigan.
and you tried to walk out
What
of the
did you
store
do
without
at the
paying for them?
CVS that makes you think that
The store was open to the public
I
at
had
the
some
time?
Budweiser.
you didn't have anybody's permission
I'm
to take
sorry?
that property?
Some
did you?
Budweisers and some soup.
All right, so you got
All right, and the
Budweisers and
property that
soup,
you
and
took,
tried to walk out of
that
the
was
store
property
without
that
paying
was
for them?
offered for sale by
The store was
CVS?
open to the public at the time?
Yes.
You didn't have anybody's. On any other matter, on the date of
No.
February
All right, and the
twenty-fifth,
property that you took,
2023, at the
that was
location
property that was
of
offered for sale by
3825
CVS?
Carpenter Road,
Yes.
Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan.
What did you do at the
matter,
Meijer
on
that
the
makes you think
date
that you're
of
guilty?
I also
February
had went in and got some
2023,
food,
at the location
some
of
dinner, and then
3825
I got some
Carpenter Road,
liquor.
Pittsfield Township,
All
Washtenaw
right.
County, State.
And you
of
tried to
Michigan.
leave the store without
What did
paying
you
for
do at
them?
the Meijer that makes you think that you're guilty?
All right.
I also had
And
went in and
the store
got
was
some
open to the
food.
public at the time?
There was dinner and then.
You didn't have
got some
anybody's
liquor.
permission to take that property, did you?
And you tried to leave the
And
store
that
without
property you
paying for
took from
them?
Myers, that was property that was offered for
All right.
sale? And
The store
ma'am,
was
if I
open to the
accept
public
your
at the
plea,
time?
between the time of my acceptance of your
You
plea
didn't have
and this
anybody's
case, and the time
permission
to
to
take
take
that
that.
property, did you? If you commit misconduct, if you find that property you took from Myers, that was.
This is one of those courtroom moments that hits harder than the charge itself. You see a young mother holding her child, admitting guilt, not just legally, but emotionally. Retail fraud in the second degree may be a misdemeanor, but the implications are real. Probation, fines, a permanent record, and the constant warning that one more mistake could undo everything. The judge isn't being harsh here, he's being precise. Every question ensures the plea is voluntary, informed, and final. And that's the weight of the justice system. Calm on the surface, life-altering underneath. Would you have taken the plea or risked trial?
Zoom.
On 5,000.
I did reach out to him by
Give him
phone.
10%
We
privilege.
were not
that
able to
won't
reach
release
him.
you.
I'm not sure why he's not present. I request a show cause.
Court does call the case
Versus
versus
defendant's failure to appear.
Conrad Solar on behalf of
5,000.
Pittsfield Township.
Give a 10%
Ron Brown appearing on
privilege. that
behalf
won't
of
release you.
Mr. Smith.
Thank you, Judge.
Please state your
Court
name.
does call the case Jason
Jason Smith, Your Honor, how are you?
I'm very good. Yourself?
Conrad
okay,
Solar on
sir.
behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Your Honor, I'm requesting an adjournment. Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Smith. 26, I'll come see you. Please state your name. You gotta get the
Jason
date.
Smith, Your Honor, how are you?
I'm very good. Yourself?
2026, 9 a.m.
Your Honor, I'm requesting an
All right,
adjournment.
Bond.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you, sir.
26, I'll
Court calls the case of the people versus Wilmer Hudson,
You gotta get the date.
February 18th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Assistant Public
Thank
Defender on
you.
behalf of
All right,
Mr.
fine.
Hudson.
Thank you, sir.
State your name when you get here.
Court calls the case of the people
Thank you.
versus
Thank you,
Wilmer
Judge. I just speak to
Hudson.
Mr. Hudson about
Take
this.
your hands out of your pockets, please.
I just speak to Mr. Hudson about this case on the phone. There are some videos in the file he wants to watch. We can have an adjournment so that we can get that done.
February 18th,
Thank you.
2026, 9 a.m. Bond. Take your hands out of your
Thank you,
pockets,
Judge.
please.
I just speak to Mr. Hudson about this case on the phone. There are some
Court
videos
calls
in the
case
file
People
for us to watch.
versus
We
Noman.
can have an adjournment so that we can get that done.
February 18th, 2026.
Ron Broadstream on behalf
Thank you, Judge. It's
sir.
9 a.m.
Okay.
We'll be for that.
Okay.
Court calls case People versus. Sir, please state your name.
Noman Rahman Khan.
All right.
Ron requesting adjournment so I can,
We need to get going on this because
yes, Your Honor.
this has been. Sir, please state your name.
Noman
February
Rahman Khan.
18th, 2026.
I'm
9
requesting
a.m.
adjournment so I can,
Thank you.
We need to get going on this because
yes, Your Honor.
this has been. It's the last case of the People versus Joshua Ward. 2026, 9 a.m.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you. He's not. Court calls case of the People versus Joshua Wara. Your name?
Joshua William Wara.
Here we go. Did we get a report?
Your Honor, I believe that we
He's not.
I have this.
Yes, I see it.
Dated January 14th, our office received.
Joshua William Wara.
I would stipulate to the entry of that report and ask that the court defend that it was competent.
Yes, yes, I see it. Mr. Wara, did you want to
Our office received, I believe, on the 20th.
review this report?
I would stipulate to
This
the
is a
entry of that
competency report. It
and ask
found you
the court
competent to
defend that
stand
it was
trial.
competent.
Yes, Your Honor,
Yes,
I've
it's
already
competent.
reviewed
It's
it.
competent. Okay.
I had a
Mr.
question.
Wara, did you want to? Okay, go ahead.
Is there any way I could get
Review this
a bond reduction
report?
by chance?
Well, I'm not going to deal with the bond reduction right now. I've got to deal with this part of it.
Okay,
Do you
Your Honor,
have
I've
any
already
objection
reviewed
to
it.
what's contained in the
I had a
report?
question. No.
Okay, you don't mind the
Is
court
there any way I
considering
could get
that
a
the
bond
determination of
reduction by
competency?
chance? No, Your
Well,
Honor.
I'm not going to deal with the bond reduction right now. I've got to deal with court would find it.
Okay,
Do you have any objection to what's contained in the report? Specifically, the court would find it. You don't mind the court considering that the determination of competency? And does
Your Honor.
understand the nature and outcome based on a review of that report against him, therefore the defendant is deemed competent. Trial. Specifically, the court would find that the defendant can rationally assist since he does not have counsel in this case and does understand the nature and outcome of proceedings, therefore the
I
defendant
believe
is there one
we've
incompetent.
already done that. But if it's not there, I'm certainly.
Just a second, and since he does not have counsel in this case, so I will, if you could please.
I'm currently trying to retain a lawyer.
I believe.
Is there one in there?
We've already done that. But if it's not there, I'm certainly.
Just a second. So, Mr. Warren, you say you're trying to retain one, so I will.
I have a public
Currently,
defender
trying to retain
and
a
also
lawyer.
Gino for my felony.
I'm sorry, say again.
I said I have a public defender at the moment. I don't know why she's
So-
not present.
Mr. Warren, when you say you have a public defender,
Yes.
is that on your
I have
other
a public
cases?
defender, Hannah. That's on
and
this
also
one. She
Gino
was here
for
at
my
the
felony.
last hearing.
I'm sorry, say again.
I said I have a public defender at the moment. I don't know why she is not present.
Okay, when you say you have a public defender, is that on your other cases? So you were represented by Hannah
She was here at the
Apple
last hearing. Yes, Your Honor.
at
Hannah.
another proceeding. Was that before me, though?
No, yes.
Yeah, I think that was a PCC. So here's the problem. Okay. On this case, you don't have. You were represented by Hannah Apple. Did you want, did you want me to assign the public defender to represent you on this?
Yes, I would like,
Oh, yeah,
legal
I think that was
representation for now.
PCC. All right, thank you. So here's the problem.
Then
On
this
this
is a
case,
public
you don't
defender case.
have an attorney assigned.
On behalf of Mr.
Did you
Warren.
want, hang on.
Your Honor,
Did you
now
want me
that
to
he's been
assign the
found
public
competent, will you
defender
set
to
another
represent you on
pretrial
this?
date?
Yes, I would
I
like
will.
legal representation
Earliest
for
date
now.
All
possible.
right,
He-
I'll adjourn it to February. And this is a public February 18th,
On
2026,
behalf of
9 a.m.
Mr. Warren. Your Honor, now that he's been found competent, will you set another pretrial date?
Yeah, what,
Earliest date.
what's his other? I'll adjourn it to February, so this date is February 18th, 2026, 9 a.m.
That's the bond. Your Honor.
Yeah, what's his other bond? So
Your Honor, looking at.
here's what I'm gonna do, Mr. Warren, let me explain why. I'm gonna keep your bond where it is so that you're getting credit on this case. Because even if I change it, you're not gonna go anywhere. Because you've got a bond on. Here's what I'm gonna do, Mr. Warren, let me explain.
Your Honor, with the parole
I'm gonna
hold, I
keep your
believe
bond
that I
where
do
it
not
is
get
so
any
that you're
time
getting credit
accredited
on
towards
this case.
anything because I have
Because
a
even if I
parole hold.
change it, you're not gonna. Theoretically, yeah. Because you've got a bond on the other case. Wouldn't
Your
matter.
Honor,
Well,
with
if
the
I set a
parole hold,
PR,
I
then
believe
you're
that
still
I
not gonna
do
go
get any
anywhere.
time
So it
accredited
doesn't.
towards anything because I have a parole. I
Well,
believe my agent would lift my hold if I was
yeah.
able to
I mean, you're
postpone.
right, but Well, why don't I? Wouldn't matter if you were able to set a PR, then so here's what I'll do. So it doesn't. I will. I'm not going to do anything today.
I believe my
I'll consider
agent would lift my
that
hold if I was able
if
to
once the
postpone.
PD checks and if that's why don't I? If you were, then I'll consider reducing it. So here's what I'll
Okay,
do.
is the 18th
I will.
pre-trial?
I'm not going to do anything today. I'll consider
Should I
that.
Come for immediate
If,
sentencing?
once the PD checks and if
Yes,
that's
well,
it true.
Depends on if there's a
Then I'll
plea.
consider reducing.
You haven't
How about
even,
that? Mr.
Okay,
Warren, so that you
is the
know,
18th
you
pre-trial?
haven't even been found
it's a
guilty.
pretrial.
Yeah, so
Can
I
I
can't
come
sentence you
for immediate
because
sentencing?
I have, there's no conviction.
sentence?
Well, it depends on if there's a plea.
So, Mr. Warren,
You
hang
haven't
on.
even.
Here's what I want you to do. So that you know, all right? You haven't even been found
adjourn it out
guilty. 2 weeks. I want you to
So
talk to your
I
attorney.
can't sentence you
We'll come
because
back and then
I
we'll
have
figure out
your-
what we do at that
there's no
time.
conviction of-
And I may consider. So, Mr. Warren, hang on. Here's what I want you to do. I may consider immediate. I'm going to adjourn it out 2 weeks. We got restitution. Talk to your attorney. We'll come back and then we'll figure out what we do with that. I don't know. And I may consider.
Agent Michael Crowell.
I may consider immediate sentencing. The problem is we've got restitution.
It's
That may
at the
be
CMH
applicable
building
in this case, I don't
downtown
know.
Ypsilanti on Towner.
Got it.
Agent Michael
That's where I
Crowell report, but it's with Washington County Parole.
Yes. No, would you have his number? Is it airport? Which, I'll get it. Which,
Can you get, it's a copy of it also? CMH building
Yes.
downtown Ypsilanti on Towner.
All right, Mr. Warren?
Thank you.
All right,
That's
great.
where I report.
This is a lot better than the last time,
Yes.
right?
And you have
Yes,
his
thank
number?
you.
All right.
Thank you, Honorable Judge. Can you give me a
You
copy
take
of
care.
it also?
Yes.
You too. All right, Mr. Warren?
Thank you.
All right, great. This is a lot better than the last time, right?
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Honorable Judge.
Your Honor,
You take
I
care.
spoke to her last night.
You too.
I'm asking for adjournment for her to
Court calls case
reconsider.
people versus Shannon and
sobriety.
Keys thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Okay.
To reconsider it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna, yeah.
Your Honor.
Okay, let me
I
ask
spoke to her
this.
last night.
Is she
I'm asking
going
for
to try to
adjournment for
go
her
through that
reconsider,
process?
Yes, sobriety.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
And I believe she's already been
To
referred to
reconsider it?
meeting
Yeah.
with Mr. Ted Heaton.
Okay, let me ask this.
And,
When is that? Is she
Well, she had.
going to try to go through that process?
At first, it wasn't a fit for her, but after we talked last night, already been referred. She's now meeting with Mr. Gonna find a way to make it work.
Yeah.
And.
Right.
When is that supposed to take?
Well, she had.
I don't know. I need to
Had,
know.
and at first, it wasn't a fit.
Will the
for her,
18th be
but
enough time
after
for her
we
to
talked
figure that
last
out?
night, She's now
The 18th?
gonna find a way to make it work. I'm not
Right.
sure when the next meeting
I'm not sure
is.
what that means. I don't know. I need to
And
know.
her, we would adjourn so that
Will the 18th be enough
Between
time
now
for her
and the
to
next
figure that
meeting.
out? It's every other.
it's every
The
other
18th.
Thursday, but I
We'll have
can't
to
remember
find
if
out.
it was last week or
I'm
this
not sure when the
Thursday.
next
Looking at
meeting,
Judge Professor's calendar, not seeing.
And her,
This week,
we
it
would
looks
adjourn so that
like
between now and
there's
the next
not
meeting.
one next
It's
week
every
from what I can
other-
It's
tell.
every other Thursday, but I can't remember. if it
Okay,
was
so what
last week or
I'll just
this
go to March
Thursday.
I'm
4th,
looking at Judge Professor's calendar, not seeing.
2026.
This week,
9
it
a.m.
looks like
Thank you.
All right.
there's not one next week from what I can tell.
So March 4th, that time to meet.
Okay, so what
Mr. Heath.
I'll just go to March
There is
4th,
one on the 12th, I don't know if the 18th.
March.
2026. Oh, there is one on the 12th?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, hold on. Then I'll adjourn it to the 18th.
So March 4th, that
one on the 12th.
Mr.
You want to go to the one on the 12th? I'll send
Well, I
Mr.
don't know
Heaton.
if the 18th would.
Okay.
Oh, there
No,
is one on
I've
the
already,
12th?
I've already done
Hold on.
and paid $100 to do
Then
one
I'll
of
adjourn it
these.
to the 18th.
But I
So
think you need to
there's
see him
one
again
on the
because
12th.
he was under the impression.
You want to go to the one on the 12th? I'll send Mr. Heaton.
Oh, no, he wasn't. Okay. This
Okay.
was later. This was with my, I've already done and
what's her
paid
name?
$100 to do one of these.
I'm the new guy. I think you need to see him again.
Don't beat up the new guy.
He was under the
No.
impression. 218.
Oh, no, he wasn't.
All right.
This was
Okay.
later.
18th,
This was with my lawyer. What's her
I'll
name?
go at that.
Perini.
Yeah,
I'll
yeah,
talk to
help me
Heaton.
figure
I'm
it
the
out.
new
Okay.
guy. I'll talk to
I can hear you better today. I
beat up
got
the
new
new
hearing aid. No.
218. Thank you.
Yep, I'll set that.
18th.
And you'll get a hold of me?
Yes, when I talk to
Go ahead.
Mr. Heaton.
Yeah,
I'll
just
talk to
help me
him.
figure it out.
I'll talk
I
to
can
him.
hear you better today. I got new hearing aids.
Yeah.
Court calls case
Yep,
people
I'll
versus
set that.
Austin
And you'll
Knox.
get a hold of me?
Yes, when I talk to Mr.
How much is on that? I got you.
For the judge portion, please to assist the public defender on behalf of Mr. Knox, who's approaching the podium. Please take the record.
Court calls case people
Knox. How are you
versus
doing, Your
Austin Knox. I'm doing well.
When you're on the people.
Thank you, Judge. I believe
much
we're gonna
is
need
on there?
an adjournment on Mr. Knox's file. He also wants to make a bond request, Mr. Knox, who's approaching the podium.
Adjourn the matter to March 4th, 2026, 9
How are you doing, Your Honor?
I'm doing well.
My
Thank you.
understanding-
How many?
Thank you, Judge. I believe we're gonna need an
It's in the
adjournment on Mr. Knox's file. He also wants me to make a bond request, Judge.
Adjourn the
Okay.
matter to March 4th,
I just spoke with
2026,
Mr. Knox
9
briefly,
a.m.
got to know him a little bit. Apparently he is
How many?
testing through this court through community
Yeah, it's in the
corrections.
afternoon.
Apparently, he's doing alcohol and drug testing there. The case that he has, okay, testing.
He, what?
I just spoke with Mr. Knox briefly, got to know him a little bit. Testing, but apparently he is on strain on his employment. He indicates that he works apparently Taylor for a alcohol and drug car place as a mechanic. The case that he has doing his testing,
He,
come in
what?
and test. He indicates he was hoping maybe the frequency could be changed. Strain
How
on his
often?
employment. He indicates that he works in
Is it
Taylor
once a
for
week?
a
Yeah, even with once a
rental
week,
car
my
place
boss
as a
is getting
mechanic.
upset with me about it.
Leave work early.
They expect
Come
me
in
to
and
be there
test.
from 6
He
to
was hoping
6
maybe
every
the
day.
frequency could be changed.
How often does he test?
Once a week.
Is it once a week?
Yeah, even with once a week, my boss is getting upset with me about it. They expect me to be there from 6 to 6 every day.
I got you. Do is I'll reduce it, testing to 1 time per month.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you very much, Judge.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Do I need to go to community corrections
But
now?
what I will do is I'll reduce it.
Or-
Are you
Testing
scheduled?
why you feel like you're doing.
Okay.
No, I'm kidding. All right.
Well, my
Thank you
number
very
is
much,
full
Judge.
today.
Was it? Yeah, I'd go over there and get tested. If they
do
called
I
it
need to go
today,
to
go
community
over and test
corrections now?
today.
Talk to my lady or figure
Are you
out
scheduled?
Why you
once
feel
a
like
month
you're
thing.
Yeah, no, I'm kidding. Further that way.
Well, my number is
Talk to
full
her.
today.
Tell her that. Yeah, I'd go over there and get tested once a month. They'll get a new test today.
Talk to my
Sometime
lady,
today with
figure
that on
out.
it.
All right.
All right, but if you test today, then you'll be good further that way.
All right, thank you.
All right? Talk to her, tell her
Thank you,
that
Judge.
Simpson Courthouse case versus Elizabeth. They'll get a new order over there. sometime
Ron
today
Appearing on
with that
behalf
on
of
it.
Ms. Loman.
All right.
She's
All
in
right, but if
Florida.
you
Is
test
she on our
today, then you'll
Zoom?
be good for a while.
All right, thank
All
you.
right, Loman? Oh, there she
Thank you,
is.
Judge.
All right, state your name, please. People versus Elizabeth Loman. All right,
Ron I'm requesting an adjournment. She's in Florida. Is she on our Zoom? Obtain.
I'll adjourn it to March 4th. Oh, 2026. All right, state your name, please. Bond, continue.
Elizabeth Loman.
All right.
Your Honor, I'm requesting an adjournment.
Thank you, ma'am.
Some more discovery I have
Thank
to
you.
obtain.
Courthouse case, people versus Carlos Mack, 2026, 9.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Mack.
Carlos Mack. Oh, there. Thank you, ma'am.
Your Honor, there was an
Thank you.
offer tendered by the
Courthouse case, people
prosecution,
versus
but
Carlos
we still
Mack.
have some more homework on the case. I'm requesting a brief
Ron Brown
adjournment.
appearing
He
on
has a
behalf of
sentencing
Mr.
next
Mack.
week in front of you on an OWVI.
Carlos Mack. Oh, there he is.
Your Honor, there was an offer.
February
tendered by the
18, 2026, 9
But we
a.m.
still have some more homework on the case. I'm requesting a brief adjournment. He has a sentencing next week. in front of
Courthouse
you
case, people versus
on an
Elijah
OWVI
Matthews. February 18, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Matthews. Hopefully he is present.
Courthouse case, Elijah Matthews. He's not in.
All right. Well, Judge, I did speak to Mr. Matthews yesterday. He was going to ask me to request an adjournment to review the video. I don't know why he's not present. I would request a show cause. Hopefully he is
Bench
present.
warrant, $5,000. Matthews. He's not in. That warrant will issue.
All right. Well, Judge, I did speak to Mr. Matthews yesterday.
Thank
He
you.
was going to ask me to request an adjournment to review the
Courthouse
video.
case of the
I
people
don't know why he's
versus
not
Chauncey
present. I would
Milligan.
request a show cause or an adjournment.
Bench warrant, 5,000, 10%.
I believe he's
That
on
warrant will
Zoom.
issue immediately.
Thank you, Judge.
There he is. Okay. Courthouse case of the people versus Chauncey Milligan. All right.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Chauncey Milligan.
I believe
What about
requesting an
Zoom?
adjournment. There's an offer in the case. I haven't been able to
There he
relay
is.
it to him.
Okay, got it. We got it. He's motor. All right, Chauncey, I'm gonna adjourn you out to March 4th. All right. 2026, 9 a.m.
Requesting an
Okay.
adjournment. There's an offer in the
Okay.
case. I haven't been able to.
All right.
Relay
You
it
take
to
care. Got it.
You too.
All right, Chauncey, I'm gonna adjourn you out to March 4th. Case, people versus Jessica,
All right.
26, 9 a.m. Okay?
Judge Portia, please
Okay.
assist the public defender on behalf of
All
Ms.
right.
Mitchell, who's
You
approaching
take
the podium.
care.
You too.
Please state your name for the record.
Courthouse case, people versus Jessica.
Thank you, Judge. I believe Ms. Mitchell is requesting an adjournment. She's hoping I can get an offer from Mr. Cook that might keep a record clean. So
What?
That might keep a record. She's been cooked for the last 7 years, Judge. So she wants.
Thank you.
She has had no problem for the last 7 years. So she's
7 years.
She's hoping I can get an offer. So she's trying to to maintain a clean track record.
7 years?
She's been clean for the last 7 years, Judge. So she has had no problem for the last 7 years. So she's
7 years, right?
Yes, Judge.
No.
So she's trying to
So
maintain
proud of you too,
a
Judge.
clean
This can
track
happen.
record.
7 years?
7 years, Judge. I'm gonna get at her back, Judge.
I'm adjourned to March 4th, 2026, 9 a.m. All right, thank you, man.
Thank you, Judge. Get at her back, Judge.
Court does call the case, People versus Whitney Mitchell, 2026.
That is
9
Judge
a.m.
Torture, Feast,
All right,
Assistant Public
thank you,
Defender,
man.
appearing on behalf of Ms. Whitney Mitchell.
Mitchell's in Zoom. Court does call the case, People
Ms.
versus
Mitchell?
Whitney Mitchell.
Yes.
People?
All right, I need a camera, please.
Assistant Public
Okay,
Defender,
I'm
appearing on
trying to-
behalf of Ms.
Okay, sorry.
There you go. Okay.
Thank you, Judge. I just spoke to Ms. Mitchell yesterday.
You're
but-
not driving, right?
No, I'm parked outside of my job.
All right, I need a camera,
I just
please.
went to the car.
Okay.
Couldn't hear me. Okay, sorry.
Okay, gotcha. Okay. What are we doing?
Thank you, Judge. I just spoke to Ms. Mitchell yesterday.
You're not driving,
Has already
right?
done a private
No, I'm
assessment,
parked outside of my
but she has
job
not been able to have
waiting
those
to
records
clock in.
turned over
I
yet
just
to
went to the car, so
Okay.
they couldn't hear me.
appropriate people. So she's willing to
Okay,
do
gotcha.
a assessment with
Okay.
Statman or one of the other people after Friday when she gets her has already paycheck. done a private So she's requesting an adjournment, so she can do a new assessment. Records turned over yet. She'll do that after she's paid appropriate people. So she's willing to do a assessment with Statman
Okay, we need
or
to
one
get
of the
this thing
other people
moving.
after Friday when she gets her paycheck. So she's requesting an adjournment, so
And
she can do a
then
new
what's the
assessment.
hope with the
And she'll
assessment?
do that after she's paid. Yes.
Yeah. I believe we're working on getting
We need to get this thing moving. Okay,
Yes,
gotcha.
Judge. That's what the notes indicate, Judge, yes.
And then, so I'll
What's the
adjourn this
hope
out
with
then
the
to March
assessment?
4th,
Thank you, Judge.
2026, 9 a.m.
I believe we're
You
working
gotta
on
get
getting
that done, Miss
this
Mitchell, okay?
Okay, gotcha.
I'll go. I'll
That's what the notes
I'll set
indicate,
it up.
Judge, yes.
All right, so I'll
Thank you.
adjourn this out then
Thank
to
you.
March 4th. Court
Thank
calls
you,
case
Judge.
2026, 9 a.m.
You gotta get that done, Miss Mitchell, okay?
Oh, there he
Okay,
is.
I'll go. I'll set it up.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mayor
Thank you.
Neary.
Thank you.
Your name, sir? Court calls
John
case
Neary.
People versus
How you
John
doing?
Neary.
Yes, sir. I mean, good morning. How you doing? How you doing, Alan?
Oh, there he is. All right, what are we doing?
517
Ron Brown requesting adjournment here, Mr. Neary.
620.
Your name, sir?
John Neary.
215.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I didn't-
Good morning.
I didn't
How you
have the
doing?
numbers.
How you doing, Alan?
Who called you?
They called me yesterday.
I'll adjourn it out. What are we doing? March 4th,
517.
March requesting adjournment.
2026, 9 a.m.
Zero.
All right, the bond will continue. Sir, how's your family?
Yeah, I didn't have.
Hell of a turn for the worse there.
Who called you?
2 weeks ago.
I'll adjourn it out
The
to
wound
March
won't hold
4th,
like that.
March
They,
4th.
she's up to U of M now.
2026,
She's
9
might do
a.m.
another surgery.
All right, his bond will
Have to
continue.
be like a third
Sir,
one.
how's your family? All right.
So it's a pad. Hell of a turn.
I got you. You know you're still under pardon?
Yes, sir. I won't hold or not like
Take
that.
care.
She's up at U of M now. She's might do another surgery.
I don't say nothing.
Be like a third one.
All right.
So it's a pad. It's not.
I got you. You know you're still under. Court calls the case,
Yes,
People
sir.
versus Russell Norville. Take care.
You're in agreement to go to the people.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf.
I don't say nothing with him like that.
Sir, state your name.
Russell Norvell.
Thank you, sir.
Court calls the case,
I'm
People versus
requesting
Russell
adjournment. I'm
Norville.
still trying to get the other video. Showed
Ron
him
Brown
what I
appearing
had.
on behalf.
I talked to him.
There's another video.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, state your name. Adjourn this to
Russell
March
Norvell.
4th, 2026, 9
I'm
a.m.
requesting an adjournment. I'm still trying to
All right.
get the
Thank
other
you, sir.
video.
Thank you,
Showed
sir.
him what I had.
There's-
I talked to him.
There's another video.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's the recall.
Adjourn this to March 4th.
Okay.
2026, 9 a.m. bond. An hour?
Thank you.
All right. Thank you,
That
sir.
was
A while back.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Sir, your attorney's on his way down.
That's the recall for Mr. Burr.
Thank you. Court's in recess.
All rise.
By the end of this session, one message becomes unmistakably clear. The courtroom doesn't measure crimes by emotion. It measures them by law, evidence, and responsibility. From retail theft just over $200 to failures to appear and probation violations, each decision here shows how quickly small choices can spiral into lasting consequences. Judges aren't just enforcing rules, they're balancing fairness, deterrence, and opportunity for reform. And for every defendant we saw today, the future hinges on what happens next, not what already happened.
If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdown.